If you are passionate about furniture, interior design, or simply want to stay on top of the latest trends, you have come to the right place. One of the largest and most influential furniture trade shows in the world. Welcome to Shanghai New International Expo Center in Pudong, Shanghai. Every year, Furniture China draws thousands of exhibitors and visitors from over 160 countries, making it a global stage for the furniture and interior design industry. Whether you are a manufacturer, buyer, designer, or just a fan of beautiful, functional design, this event has something for everyone. With 350,000 square meters of exhibition space, more than 3,000 exhibitors showcasing their latest designs and innovations, covering a wide range of categories, from home and office furniture to outdoor collections, decorative accessories, lighting, and raw materials. Whether you are sourcing for a business or seeking inspiration for your home, you will find an incredible variety of furniture styles, materials, and designs. This year, the event had a major focus on sustainability and smart living, with a wide range of eco-friendly designs, with furniture made from recycled materials and concepts that emphasize energy efficiency. We also got a glimpse of the future with smart furniture integrated with technology. Think of sofas with built-in wireless chargers or beds that adjust based on your sleep patterns. Two major trends took center stage at Furniture China 2024: eco-friendly materials and smart furniture. Sustainable designs were on full display, with many manufacturers focusing on using recycled wood, bamboo, and organic fabrics to minimize environmental impact. One of the best parts about Furniture China is the incredible networking opportunities. Whether you are a furniture manufacturer, a wholesaler, or a designer, this event brings together buyers, suppliers, and professionals from across the globe. It's the perfect place to form new partnerships, meet potential clients, or even find your next business opportunity. Hello, today is the last day of Furniture China 2024. If you didn't attend this year, I really want to recommend to you to come next year, or if your niche is different and you want to buy from China or already have Chinese suppliers, don't waste your time. Plan yourself and visit next year this fair and others here in China. It has been really cool and exciting to meet some of our customers and suppliers partners. Today is the last day here in Shanghai, but I hope to see you and get in touch soon. I'm Italo from Shanghai, and I will see you in the next one.